Number 1. COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher. 6-place setting, a perfect size, H 17.2 x W 21.6 x D 19.7, for 2 to 3 people. COMFEE Compact Dishwasher is suitable for dorms, RVs, and apartments. This countertop dishwasher can fit up to 70 pieces of tableware and has a plate size of up to 10 inches in diameter. Note: COMFEE dishwashers are tested at the factory before they are shipped. If your new dishwasher has some water inside, this is normal. Number 2. COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher Countertop. Please make sure the distance between your countertop and wall cupboard is more than 19.6 inch. Adding water manually in the 5L built-in water tank, you can put the dishwasher in any suitable place without connecting to tap water. Or it can be hooked to the kitchen faucet directly with the included water hose, adapter included, water pressure, 0.04 1.0 MPa. Number 3. COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher, portable dishwasher with 6L built-in water tank. Adding water manually in the upgraded 6-liter built-in water tank, you can put the dishwasher in any suitable place without connecting to tap water. Or it can be hooked to the kitchen faucet directly with the included Quick Connect water hose, adapter included. The Mini Plus has a larger capacity inside than a normal mini dishwasher, which allows you to load a 10.5-inch plate at a time while occupying. Number 4. COMFEE AO Countertop Dishwasher. Compact size, accommodates up to 6-place settings and 70 pieces for 2 to 3 people, 8 washing programs including heavy, normal, baby care, ECO, glass, speed for flexible cleaning, easy installation, connects directly to faucet with adapter. Number 5. Midea MDC 22P2 ASS Portable Countertop Dishwasher. A perfect size, H 17.25 x W 22 x D 20, holds up to 6-place settings, perfect for 2 to 3 people. The Midea compact dishwasher is suitable for dorms, RVs, and apartments. This countertop dishwasher can fit up to 70 pieces of tableware and plates up to 10 inches in diameter. Simple installation, can be connected directly to a faucet, a suitable adapter is needed, and placed on a countertop or in a cupboard. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.